Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and insightful product analysis. Today, we're diving into a game changer in the world of plumbing, Luigi's sink and drain plunger. If you've ever faced the frustration of a clogged sink or shower drain, this might just be the solution you've been dreaming of. Let's delve into why this is hands down the best toilet drain unblocker on the market. First off, let's talk about its unparalleled performance. This plunger isn't your average household tool. It's a powerhouse designed to tackle even the toughest blockages with ease. Thanks to its unique accordion design and large bellows, Luigi's plunger delivers an incredible 8 times more force than traditional plungers. Whether it's hair, grease, or any other stubborn debris causing the blockage, this plunger blasts through it like a champ. But don't just take my word for it. Countless satisfied customers swear by Luigi's sink and drain plunger. From unclogging bathroom sinks to clearing shower drains, this versatile tool has saved the day for countless households. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Simply place the plunger over the drain, ensure a tight seal, and pump away. It's that simple. Another standout feature of Luigi's plunger is its durability and ease of cleaning. Made with 100% recycled PVC, this plunger is not only environmentally friendly but also built to last. And when it comes to cleaning, just a quick spray with bleach and a rinse under the tap is all it takes to keep it in pristine condition. Now, you might be wondering, how does Luigi's plunger stack up against the competition? Well, let's just say it blows them out of the water, quite literally. Unlike traditional plungers that rely on air pressure, Luigi's plunger uses water to create a powerful blast that dislodges even the most stubborn blockages. And with its compact size, it's perfect for use in sinks, baths, showers, and more. So there you have it, folks. Luigi's sink and drain plunger, the ultimate solution for all your plumbing woes. Say goodbye to clogged drains and hello to smooth flowing pipes with this revolutionary tool. Don't let blocked drains ruin your day. Grab your own Luigi's plunger today and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy plunging.